Welcome to this demonstration video of the full system backup and recovery feature available with the latest Resdtor Backup Pro Enterprise Server Edition client. I have a Windows Server 2012 R2 virtual machine running on my installation of Hyper-V. I've already installed the backup client and taken my first off-site backup. I have enabled the full system backup option in the GUI. I like having the ability to exclude folders from the selection over here to help me keep my image as efficient as possible. I'll set off a manual backup, and that will take a snapshot using VSS and wait for the backup to complete. As you can see, it took around 1.5 minutes for the backup to complete, including patching and uploading the data to our cloud infrastructure. Now I'll shut down the VM. As I'll be restoring to the same Hyper-V virtual server, I'll rename the old server before starting the restore. There are several ways to recover the server, but I'll show you how to do this using the console and instant data. Once you've selected the account and run the instant data client, you'll be prompted for the account information, including the encryption key. I will be restoring from the latest backup and can choose between VHD and VHDX file formats when I'm recovering to Hyper-V. Now I'm going to browse to the folder where we have enough free space for the restore, and then I'm going to start the download. I'll go to create the new VM while the restore runs, and I'll add the virtual hard disk later. I'm creating a Generation 2 virtual machine, and I'll select the LAN for my network location. Just to give you an idea of the recovery time, I'll run a quick speed test on my fiber internet connection. Here you can see that my download speed on this line is around 70 meg at the moment. We'll go back to the restore and see that it finishes in around 25 minutes. Now returning to the VM configuration, I'll add the recovered virtual hard drive by browsing to the location of the restored file. Finally, just to change the boot order of the virtual machine, and it'll be ready to boot. Now I'll connect and power onto the server. I've sped this part up a bit, as the first boot of this VM took around 2 minutes to complete, as the server discovered devices and presented me with a login screen. The complete restore process from start to finish has taken me around 30 minutes to finish. If you would like any help in designing, implementing, or supporting your backup solution or infrastructure, please do contact me via my website, cactus-it.co.uk, or by email on bevan@cactus-it.co.uk.